Have you been struggling with how to incorporate veggies into your diet? In this video, I'm going to teach you 10 creative ways to add fruit and vegetables into your diet. Let's dive into it. The very first one is to make veggie-based soup. I know that a lot of us are fond of pepper soups, but one thing you can do rather than adding another carbohydrate source like yam, plantain, or sweet potatoes into your pepper soup, then you can just add some veggies. You can just dice in some carrot, some broccoli, or some cucumbers into your pepper soup when it's almost done. And that way you can replace the simple carbs with a good source of fiber. Another thing you can do is to add it into your tomatoes, your red bell peppers when you're blending. So if you have a picky eater or you just don't like the taste of veggies, you can add it to your tomatoes, your red bell pepper. You can sneak in green peas into it, and you can sneak in a lot of vegetables, adding your carrot into your tomatoes and your red bell pepper, and you wouldn't even know. Another thing you can do is to add it to smoothies. So when you add it into smoothies, as opposed to making only a fruit-based smoothie, you do fruit and veggie smoothie. The beautiful thing about smoothies is that you can also add in your green leafy vegetables. You can add in your spinach, your ugu, your kale, whatever it is that you like, depending on the taste, and add it into your smoothie. So you do one fruit, one bland vegetables like your cabbage, your lettuce, and then a leafy green vegetables. You have a very healthy smoothie that is low in sugar and very, very high in fiber, and you're good to go. Another thing you can do is to squeeze it into your oatmeal. Another trick is to top it on your salad. So if you don't like salads, or you're like, who's going to be eating all these vegetables alone, or you don't like the taste, so you can just add in a little bit of fruit on the salad. Half cup of pineapple gives it a very, very sweet punch, and you wouldn't even know that you're eating salad. A very cute way to also go about it is to add veggies into your omelette. I know that we add some onions into our omelette, a little bit of tomatoes, but you can really have a full plate of omelette that feels full. You don't necessarily need another carb source. Where's the bread? Where's the yam that I'm going to eat with this omelette? No, because you're adding loads of vegetables. You're adding your red bell peppers, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. You can add in green peas. You can add leafy vegetable into your omelette, and you have a very, very bulky omelette. Another thing you can add it to is your noodles. So adding veggies into your noodles definitely increase the bulk. And if you're not a fan of noodles and you're doing spaghetti, adding shredded veggies into your spaghetti also helps to increase the amount you're eating. So you're adding your carrot, your red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and you're really having fun. Another very easy way is to do grilled veggies. So grilled veggie kebab, you have your bell peppers, the 3 types of bell pepper, your onions, you can add in carrot, a little bit of potatoes. If you have zucchini, you can add it into it. Mix everything together, add a dash of oil, your salt and pepper, and some other spices, rosemary, Italian seasoning, whatever it is that you have, ginger, garlic. Just add a little bit of spices, and then you put it in the oven. So if you want to add a protein source like shrimp or chicken, so you start with that in the oven, and then you add the potatoes, because that will take a little bit more time, and then you add the remaining veggies. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You will love it. So another way is to do stuffed bell pepper. So you can either add rice or cooked beans in the middle and stuff the bell pepper. So you cut the head away with the green stalk, and then you remove the centerpiece and fill that with already cooked rice or beans, or whatever it is that you fancy. It could be diced vegetables and some minced meat in the stuffed bell pepper. Then you put it in the oven and let it sit in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you eat it. It's fun, it's enjoyable, you will love it. Just try it and tell me how it goes. Last but not the least, you can definitely sneak in your fruit and veggies into your diet by replacing your butter with guacamole. So when avocado is in season, you can take half a ripe avocado, add a dash of lemon, a dash of salt and pepper, mix everything together and serve it on your bread, and you have a very, very lovely meal. So if you have a wheat bread, you can also toast your wheat bread to give it even a better punch, and then you just spread your guacamole on it. So there you go, 10 ways to sneak in fruit and veggies into your diet.